You saw the title, you saw the thumbnail, and you're probably thinking, Luke, you're an idiot.
If this was a bad idea and that's why we died, I'm sorry.
Luke, there's probably an actual Demogorgon in there, and you're completely right. So without further ado, we're in the sewer.
We're going all the way. 2.0. We're ready.
This is Evan. Evan, describe yourself in one word.
Subscriber.
Okay.
number one subscriber.
Let's keep going.
So yeah, welcome to the sewer. Okay, well technically it's not actually a sewer, because that'd be disgusting, but for now it's the sewer.
Oh shoot. Checkpoint.
As you can probably tell by now, this place is pretty weird, because unlike the outside, which has things like the sun, grass, and animals, this place has things like darkness and concrete and whatever this is. But with that being said, I have some goals for this place. Find the end, if there is one, show you guys all the checkpoints along the way, and spoiler, the checkpoints get kinda crazy. And secondly, I want to find some sort of life down here.
6 intrepid friends with led by Fred, their leader. Fred's Angels. Fred's Angels. Harnessing the power of the sun with the ancient amulet they found in the attic. The amulet is green. It's probably an amulet. I'm soaked.
So am I. That's why I'm running. In your slipstream, it's working.
We're speeding down. We're going through the sewers. We're not even scared. I'm actually terrified. Let's keep going. Let's go. Oh, it's turning. Dude, you just stepped on my... Sorry. Wait. Don't.
Someone
Okay.
socks. You're nasty.
I found the evidence. Let's go up and see where we are.
Nah. Sure. Almost forgot about the content for a second there.
We're going up to see where we are. Pass.
Yeah. Gotta get the cinematic shot.
All right.
Wait, which one is this one? Ow, I just hit my head.
Wait a second. We're in a field. We're going back down. Here, Evan, take the camera.
So what's up, guys?
Get that angle.
Sorry, my bad.
Oh, it's so nasty. Look at that.
Ew. Let's go.
Red light mode. Oh no. That's sick. There's no way you can see my face right now. This entire video, you're not gonna see my face.
You're seeing my face.
You're seeing Evan's face, okay? You're the new face of the channel. Dirty darkness. Dude, this is awesome. Oh, it's so it's just dripping on your head the whole time.
Yeah.
So gross. We're gonna get a disease. Complete darkness.
Still see the entrance.
Oh, you can still see light. The GoPro can't. We can still see light though.
I couldn't see how to see.
Put them on for a bit. That's enough. You can take them off.
Can I?
You're gonna make me look non-cool. New checkpoint? Oh, we're getting soaking wet.
Yeah.
Our feet.
I forgot to wear sandals.
That's why we're crab shorts. Let's go up.
Okay. Stay low.
Why?
Because
Are we in the... We're in the
we got
golf course?
We've infiltrated.
Okay, so we're in the golf course. Hopefully we don't get caught right now.
Okay, let's go back.
Well, Evan's coming down, and then we're gonna keep going farther. Moment of truth. Here I go. I'm getting my foot wet. Oh!
No, in order to
Nice.
it gets to the point where like, if there was hypothetically a monster and it just popped up, who gives a crap? You're dead anyway. Like it doesn't even matter.
Checkpoint. All right, you guys are gonna tell me
Where we are.
where are we? Are we in the middle of the road? Are you gonna get run over? Dude, I actually wonder what it looks like.
Yeah.
That's gonna be sick. Let's keep going.
We should go up this later.
We might go up this later, but we're gonna keep going this way first. We might come back here. minutes to the end, no matter what. I don't know if you can see, the terrain is switching to uphill right now. Dude, you scared me. I think we're almost at the end. We're at the end. Whoa, what?
Okay, cut through quick.
Okay, ready? Wait, is this? I don't know if my light is waterproof. No, I'll just run through. Watch out. I'm running through. Dude, what?
Are they stuck down here?
Are you guys stuck? No, they're not stuck. There's no way. Well, anyway, this place looks really cool. We're in like the middle of a pond, probably. This is crazy. This is actually so cool. Okay, the game plan. Head up that offshoot. No, I told you to remember. We're gonna go up it.
Let's go.
We have arrived. Oh, that's cold.
He likes it cold.
You can feel the cold air. All right, let's go up it.
Get the angles. Let's do this.
This is really painful. Oh my gosh, this is so annoying.
Oh, through our sunglasses.
Oh, dude, that was the... No, wait, where'd they go? The top of my sunglasses! No! My hat's falling off. So is the headlamp.
You find them?
No.
We just found it out.
No way! Wait, I thought you said you found them.
They were right here. I ran past them.
Oh, here we go. Yes! We got them.
I scraped up with.
Let's
oh,
go.
They're freaking burnt.
Wait, are you serious?
Yeah, dang it.
No.
It's unfortunate.
Well, at least we found them. Let's go back up that thing. It's a good thing I'm wearing swim shorts. Bro, this is taking forever. Where are we? Whoa.
Watch out for the sharp nails that are rusting out.
This is sick. So we just came out of that. We're going in this now.
Watch out for the nails, it's lots of tetanus.
Hopefully I don't have tetanus.
Let's go. Oh, my back feels so much better.
It's really cold in here right now. I did not think about how cold it would be. New checkpoint ahead. Yo, what? Holy!
That's big.
Whoa. You can actually drive a car in here. That's sick. Wait, Evan, come here. What is that?
Ew, what is that?
That's,
I think they might
that-
be worms.
No,
Some kind of parasite.
you're kidding.
No,
Those better not be worms.
I think they are.
No!
Maybe leeches.
No!
Good content. Oh, there's a bird in here. You moved the flashlight.
Well, we don't stop. We keep going. Even though there's probably zombies down here. The crab shorts have been through a lot. What?
What?
Who's that?
Dave Travis?
Dave Travis, if you're watching, we love you.
Love you, man.
Dude, just turn back. That's not nice to look at.
What?
That's not fun to look at.
Dude,
It's pretty cool.
we're in a movie right now.
We look like actors. You know, we can pass for actors.
Yeah, especially you as Top Gun. Knock off Spider-Man and Top Gun in the sewer.
Yeah, my character's name is Top Gun. There's no, it's just ambiguous Top Gun character.
What? Wait, what? And it just said it turns into a box. I don't believe this. Wait, you said this is slippery? Dude, what? Box moments?
Yo, we can walk side by side here. This is actually
Yeah.
friends forever.
Yay, chums.
Okay, the camera's going all the way up. Tell me what it looks like, guys. Whoa, does it look cool? I hope that was fun, because I didn't get to experience it, so. Evan just left me. Big news, it splits.
You have a choice between square and circle.
Whoa, this is sick. So what's better, square or circle?
Let us know in the comments.
I think
guys.
circle is better.
It looks like square has less water, but it's also really tiny.
I'd rather go circle.
Yeah.
All right, we're going circle.
We choose circle.
This was a bad idea and that's why we died. I'm sorry. How far are we gonna walk?
I don't know.
Like, what's our goal? I say until we find something new, like cool. Once we find something cool, we can turn back.
I agree.
We've seen a lot of manholes, but that's so tall.
If there was a place for the sole rat in Alberta to live, I would say this is a good bet.
We're gonna find it. The lone rat in Alberta.
And by the way, cheeky plug. Just kidding. Cut that out.
New checkpoints.
Oh, it gets deep.
This is a bad checkpoint.
Look at that.
Okay, so basically, this is what
a lot
it
of
looks
leaves.
like from now on.
And it's like stagnant water. It's not even moving. That's disease central.
We're not gonna go any farther, but we are gonna check the manhole. We're not trying to get worms. That's
Yeah.
so nasty.
If one of these breaks loose, it's not going to be a forgiving fall. I can lift it.
Wait, are you serious?
You actually opened it. Yeah.
Dude, I think I just got rust in my eye. Oh my gosh. I better not have rust in my eye right now. Dude, don't open it.
Why?
Because I can't film it.
Why can't you?
What the leaf?
Dude, we're in the middle of the street.
No way.
Well, on the side of the street, not in the middle.
It's been like a couple minutes and Evan's still trying to get the sewer open.
Lots of rust, bro.
So,
Get a tetanus shot. For safe.
yeah, hopefully he opens it. It's been a long time though. Wait, are you serious? Dude, okay, Evan just opened the sewer. I'm gonna go up now.
Evan, can I come up? Dude?
Almost just fell over.
Oh. Evan? Okay, I'm gonna go up.
Pretty high up right now. Trying to climb. We're so close.
Moment of truth. What does it look like? Is the outside world the same? Have we been down there for 10 years? How do you get up? Dude, how did you get up here?
Just jump out. And go back in there.
Okay, this is what it looks like outside. Where are we? We made it. Let's go. What an adventure.
So I guess the Demogorgon didn't get us this time. But one thing's for sure,